Hi everyone. Today we are going to see some of the basic laws in circuit theory. The first one is Ohm's law. The Ohm's law states that the voltage V across a resistor is directly proportional to the current I flowing through that resistor. That is, V is directly proportional to I. V is equal to I into R, where R is the constant of proportionality. This R is the resistance of an element which denotes its ability to resist the flow of electric current. It is measured in ohms. That is, mathematically, R is equal to V divided by I. This R is the linear resistance which is constant for a V and I. Let us see some of the examples of Ohm's law. Example 1. An electric iron draws 2 ampere at 120 volt. What will be the resistance? Here we need to find out the resistance of an electric iron. The given values are that I is equal to 2 ampere and V is equal to 120 volt. So we need to apply Ohm's law in order to find out the resistance value. That is, R is equal to V divided by I, which is equal to 120 divided by 2, which gives you 60. And the resistance unit is ohm. Therefore, the electric iron having a resistance of 60 ohm is drawing 2 ampere current at 120 volt. Example number 2. The essential component of a toaster is an electric element which is a resistor that converts electric energy to heat energy. Then how much current is drawn by a toaster with a resistance of 10 ohm and 120 volt. Here we need to find out how much of current that toaster is drawing. For that, the given data R is equal to 10 ohm and V is equal to 110 volt. So according to Ohm's law, we know that V is equal to I into R. From that, I is equal to V divided by R. So the given V value is 110 and the R value is 10, which gives you 11 ampere, and ampere is the unit for the current. Therefore, the current drawn by the toaster is 11 ampere. Example number 3. Calculate the current I for the given circuit as shown in the figure. A circuit is given with a voltage source of V is equal to 30 volt and a resistance R is equal to 5 kilo ohm, which is equal to 5 into 10 power 3 ohm. And we need to find out the current through that circuit. So basically, from Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R and I is equal to V divided by R. So here V is 30 and your R is 5 into 10 power 3, which gives you 6 into 10 power minus 3 ampere. Actually, this is 6 milliampere. So this circuit will draw a current of 6 milliampere. And example number 3, calculate the voltage V for the circuit shown in the figure. Here, the current source is given with a value of I is equal to 2 milliampere, which is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 3 ampere, and the resistance R is given as 10 kilo ohm, which is again equal to 10 into 10 power 3 ohm. And we need to find out the voltage V across this 10 kilo ohm resistor, which gives you V is equal to I into R according to Ohm's law. Here I is 2 into 10 power minus 3 and R is equal to 10 into 10 power 3, which gives you 20 volt. Therefore, the voltage across the 10 kilo ohm resistor V is equal to 20 volt. So these are all some of the limitations of Ohm's law. The first one is the Ohm's law is applicable to metal conductors provided the temperature and other physical conditions remain constant. And Ohm's law is not applicable to unilateral network. Again, it is not applicable to non-linear element, and it does not apply to non-metallic conductors also. That's all about Ohm's law. If you have any queries related to Ohm's law, you can send a message to kgcenterforlearning@gmail.com, or you can put your queries in the chat box. Thank you.